Hi again guys, and thanks for joining me here at the Life Kawaii. Today I have an unboxing, and at this point I'm doing unboxings so frequently from different companies I actually have no idea who this is from, and it doesn't say. It's nowhere on the packaging, so I will link everything afterwards when I figure it out. So here's the first one. I have a big box down here, and then I have this bag also. Oh. Okay. Ah! Okay. So, first thing from the bag, since I don't know where all these are from or where they go, I guess I should try to keep some semblance of order. Shorts! Ooh, and they feel awesome. Are these... Who are these from? Banyata? Huh? High-waisted little shorts with a frill at the bottom and tie at the waist. Very cute. They feel ultra nice. And the second thing is something in black and white. Black and white. Oh! Some interesting gathers and smocking up here. Oh, this is pretty. I don't remember ordering this, but this is really pretty. So this is an off-the-shoulder black and white. I can see why I would like this, because it kind of looks, in my opinion, like a Japanime Gothic Lolita dress, except a more wearable version here in the city. And it's kind of longish. Looks like maybe it will go past the knee. So, that is very cute. Put that over there. And then something with a bright floral print. How do I open this? Okay. Wait, I should say a floral print with a polka dots too. Who is this by? Design Lab. So, little frilly polka dot / floral dress with ruffles. Is this a dress or is it a romper? Ooh, you don't mind if I look, do you, dear? It is a dress. This is just a dress. Okay. That's very pretty. Okay, the big box. Oh. Is there anything written on the big box? No. Okay. Oh goodness. Okay, there are a lot of things in here. Interesting. Alright, let's start by getting rid of all of these fragrance things that I never have any interest in. Wow, that is a lot of fragrance pamphlets. Woo! Woo! Go away. Ugh. I have enough problems with my allergies outside without adding that to it. Okay, first thing in the box is something in purple. Oof, feels nice too. I was trying to find what this material is. I guess I should show you the dress first. Okay, so it is a high neck ruffle sleeve. Looks like it's cut on the bias, possibly. It's very modern with all its frills and things. And it also has a tapered hem. Kind of hard to see it now, but you'll be able to see everything when I try it on. As I always try everything on to let everybody see what it looks like. The next thing is blue and tan and black. Apparently I was into loud prints this time. I have that beautiful black and white thing, and then polka dots and florals, and then this is an equally loud stripy thing. Okay, this is an off-the-shoulder poof sleeve. Huh! I would actually call this a modern take on a little Gothic Lolita dress. I think I was just in that mood whenever I was shopping for whatever I was shopping for that day. I don't remember where I ordered these things. But I'm very happy with everything I've pulled out of the bag so far. Okay, you go over there. Then we have Katy Perry shoes. Katy Perry. Oh, what an interesting looking box. These are fun. Okay, take a look. So, we'll just call them mummy flats. Or maybe more like, I don't know, high-rise flats? What do you want to call these? Platform flats? Whatever. They're very cute flat shoes with mummy faces on them. And for someone like me who loves kawaii things and also has a very specific love for horror and frightening movies, this is perfect for me. So I hope that those fit. Put those over here. Try to keep the box intact. If those fit and I keep those shoes, I'm definitely keeping that box. I like it. They have also included a $100 wine voucher. It's probably dangerous for me. Okay, another pair of shoes in another very pretty box. What are these? Oh, they come with a card. Fancy. Ooh. Actually, these might look good with some of the dresses. Ah, I love these. Okay, you guys should know this by now, but just in case anybody new is watching this, I am an opera singer here in the city. So the second I find these sort of, let's call them Marie Antoinette inspired little heels, I do remember these because I was super psyched to find them. So these are going to look great, I think, with half the things I have over there and at least 3/4 of my already pre-existing closet, not to mention the dresses and things I sew for myself. So I love that these were a modern take on kind of a vintage look. How pretty is that? Ugh, I really hope those fit. Of everything here, that's what I want the most. I hope that they work out. I'm running out of space. My tiny little New York apartment. Two more things. Something in black. What is this? Something in black. Maybe a shirt? Oh, I see a Free People tag. I know you're all surprised. Yes, it's like a nice dress shirt. It looks big. Is this a small or... That's an extra small. Okay, looks big though. So, Free People top with a interesting high neck on it. And a low V-cut shape in the front. And a little peplum at the waist. Peplum design. I will need to give that a little bit of a pressing before I try it on. This also says Free People. I can't place a single order without ordering something that's Free People. That seems to be my lot in life. It's okay though. I'm content with that. I can deal. Okay, so this is just a summer crop top to wear with high-waisted jeans or something like that. Feels nice. Let's see if I can get some wrinkles out here. Yeah, there we go. in a nice bright pink color. Actually, maybe I can even try this with those shorts. I think that'll work. Let's do that. Okay, I have to go to brunch now, the most important meal of the entire week. And then whenever I get back from that, I will give some of these things a pressing, and then I'll try them on so that you can see what everything looks like. Alright, see you soon. Bye.